Every coding agent I test on this channel has the same catch. The tool itself is free, but the model behind it is not. You install Claude Code or OpenCode or Cursor, and then you hit a wall because you need an API key or the subscription plan, and that costs $20 to $50 a month per provider. And if you're just starting out, or you're a student, or you're testing 5 different tools like I do, that adds up fast. There is a way around this, and it's not some sketchy workaround. It's a proper open source project. It's called OmniRoute. It's a free and open source AI gateway that runs on your own machine. And the numbers on this thing are honestly hard to believe until you check them yourself. It connects to 236 providers through one single endpoint. Over 90 of those providers have a free tier, and some of them are free forever. No credit card, no trial period, nothing. The project claims around 1.6 billion free tokens per month when you pool all those free tiers together. And they're careful about that number too. They call it pool deduped, which means shared accounts only count once, so it's not one of those inflated marketing claims. So how does it actually work? OmniRoute sits between your coding agent and all these AI providers. Your tool sends a request to one local address, and OmniRoute decides where it goes. If one provider runs out of quota, it automatically switches to the next one in milliseconds. You don't touch anything, it just keeps going. They call this auto fallback, and it goes through 4 tiers. First, your paid subscription, if you have one, then API keys, then cheap providers, then the free ones. And since I don't want to pay anything today, we're going straight to the free tier. The GitHub repo is worth a scroll before we install anything. The project launched in February 2026, and it already has over 14,000 stars and over 270 releases shipped. It's a fork of a project called OmniRoute, rewritten fully in TypeScript, and it comes with over 21,000 automated tests. That last number matters because most free proxy tools are weekend projects that break constantly. This one is being maintained like an actual product. And there's one feature here I didn't expect at all: token compression. OmniRoute can compress your prompts before they reach the model, and it claims savings between 15 and 95% on eligible tokens. It stacks 2 engines called RTK and Caveman. The idea is simple. When your coding agent dumps a huge Git diff or a test log into the context, most of that is noise. OmniRoute strips it down, keeps the meaning, and sends way fewer tokens. Their example on the repo takes a 69-token explanation down to 19 tokens with the same meaning. So even your free quota stretches further. It also has a built-in MCP server with 95 tools, an agent-to-agent protocol, memory, and a full analytics dashboard. But let's actually install it, because that's where this gets practical. The install is one command. Open a terminal in any folder and run npm install-g OmniRoute. The -g means global, so it's available everywhere on your system. Once it's installed, just type OmniRoute and press enter. It starts a local server and gives you a dashboard URL, which is localhost on port 2012-8. Open that in your browser. It asks for a password, and the default one is literally the words "change me," all lowercase. Type that in, and you're on the dashboard. And by the way, everything here stays on your machine. Your keys, your usage, your history. It's SQLite on your own disk with encrypted credentials, no telemetry, no account required. That's a bigger deal than it sounds for a tool that sits between you and every AI request you make. So, providers is where you connect accounts, and this is the page we'll use most. Combos is where you build fallback chains so you can stack multiple providers and pick from 17 different routing strategies, like priority order, round robin, or cheapest first. Analytics shows your usage, and something funny, an estimated cost tracker. Mine will show dollar amounts even though I'm paying nothing, because it tracks what those tokens would have cost on paid APIs. It's basically a savings counter. Health shows which providers are up, which are on cooldown, and whether any circuit breakers tripped. Translator handles format conversion between OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini API styles, which is why any tool works with any model here. Then you have CLI tools with one-click setup for popular agents, usage logs for debugging, settings, and endpoints, where your base URL and API keys live. We'll need that page in a minute. Okay, so click into the providers page and filter by free tier. You'll see the whole list of free options here. Kiro gives you Claude Sonnet and Haiku models. Coder gives you Kimi K2 Thinking, Quinn 3 Coder, and DeepSeek R1 with unlimited use. Pollinations needs no API key at all. Longcat gives you 50 million tokens per day, which is the biggest single free quota I've seen anywhere. For this video, I'm connecting the OpenCode provider, which needs no authentication. Just click Add Account and it's connected. That's genuinely it. One click. Now the fun part, wiring this into an actual coding agent. I'm using OpenCode as the client today. This works the same way with Claude Code, Codex CLI, Gemini CLI, Cursor, Klein, Kilo Code, and basically any tool that accepts a custom OpenAI-compatible endpoint. The repo lists 16+ supported tools with setup docs for each. The pattern never changes. Base URL, API key, model name. That's all any of them need. Inside OpenCode, go to Settings, then Providers. OmniRoute isn't in the preset list, so pick Custom Provider. For the provider ID, I'm typing OmniRoute, and same for the display name. Now it wants a base URL. Go back to the OmniRoute dashboard, open the endpoints page, and copy the URL there. It's localhost port 2012/8/v1. Paste that in. For the API key, stay on the dashboard, hit Create API Key, give it any name like test, generate it, copy it, and paste it into OpenCode. Last thing it needs is at least one model ID. And here's where people get stuck, because you can't just type any model name. Go back to the OpenCode provider you connected, and it shows you the exact model IDs available on that account. I'm copying just one for now, the Big Pickle model, pasting the ID into OpenCode, giving it a display name, and hitting Submit. I always configure one model first before adding more, because if something's broken, I want to know exactly where. Time to test it. In OpenCode, open the model picker, scroll down, and there it is, OmniRoute with Big Pickle under it. Select it, type hello, and send. It's thinking. And there's the response. That request just went from OpenCode through OmniRoute running on my machine out to a free provider and back. $0 spent. Since that works, let's add more models. Back in the OmniRoute dashboard, same provider page, and I'm grabbing the Minimax model ID this time. Copy it back to OpenCode provider settings. Add another model, paste the ID, name it, submit. Now the model picker shows both, and I can switch between them mid-project. And remember, this is just one provider. Connect Kiro and you get Claude models in this same dropdown. Connect Cooter and you get Kimi and DeepSeek. Every free provider you add in the dashboard becomes another model you can call from any tool, all through this one endpoint. One more thing worth knowing before you go all in. The dashboard has a combos page where you can chain these free providers together with a priority order. So if one free tier hits its limit mid-task, OmniRoute silently rolls to the next one, and your agent never even notices. That's the difference between this and just signing up for free tiers manually. You're not managing 10 accounts. You're managing one endpoint, and the router handles the chaos underneath. So that's OmniRoute. Free, open source, MIT licensed, runs locally, 236 providers, real free quota, and it plugs into pretty much every coding agent that exists right now. The link to the GitHub repo is in the description. If this saved you some money, the like button helps the channel a lot, and drop a comment if you get stuck on any step. Thanks for watching.